And a most pleasant Good Friday, everybody. Today, of course, is December 18th, 2020. You know what? 7 days from Christmas. 7 days from Christmas. Can you believe it, folks? NDF map. We'll turn it on, let it roll. What are making the headlines today? Well, there's plenty of black ice on the roads in the morning hours. By this afternoon, some may melt, some may not. It's going to stay chilly to very cold up and down the eastern seaboard. Now, in the lower elevations, expect rain. In the higher elevations, expect snow to continue across the northwest today. Light snow is possible across the coastal Rockies and high plains and the central Rockies and the Great Lakes region, while showers and thunderstorms will affect the south central U.S., and that's going to be beginning late today when those showers affect the south central U.S. Late today, this evening, before that rain gets in. I've got all of this, pictures, a whole lot of stuff coming up. Don't go anywhere, because it's all coming up on. I want to thank one of my subscribers, Boston Bruins Fan 16. Sent me this picture yesterday. This is their backyard in Mansfield, Massachusetts, in northern Bristol County. And if you probably can't see it on the screen, but it's a little above 8 inches right there. Whoo! That's a lot of rain. But you know what, folks? Or snow, I should say, but there's a lot more snow that's been going on. I'm telling you, it's like Binghamton, New York, 3 foot of snow. Maine, New York, 40 inches of snow. And I could go on and on. And so far, during this past storm, 10 people have died. 10 people have died. This includes from the Midwest to the East, with 7 of those combined in Pennsylvania and New York. There was a 66-car pileup in Pennsylvania, and during that pileup, 1 was killed. Thanks a lot, Boston Bruins Fan 16, for sending this picture in. If you have any pictures you would like to share with all of us, please click Show More, scroll down, you'll find my email address, and send them there. Quickly, before we get into the forecast in general coming up for the next today through the weekends, what you're going to see on my future radar here, and that's what I'm going to talk about. But don't forget, Monday, the 21st, that is when Jupiter and Saturn is going to make their close approaches. Jupiter and Saturn. That is when you need to look for the Bethlehem star or the Christmas star. When Sunday rolls around, I'll check out and see what the sky conditions are going to look like for a lot of people. Some will get to see it, some won't get to see it. Also, with Christmas being 7 days away, it's not too early to kind of gander and see what Christmas Day may look like. So we're going to do that too. But first things first, let's turn this on and let it play. You will see some snow. This is light snow this morning, folks. Not to worry about a lot of accumulation from any of this. And all these rounds of precipitation are once again likely across the northwestern U.S. through the weekend, as a couple of frontal systems are going to pass through, directing Pacific moisture into the region. Now, coastal and lower elevation rain is expected, along with higher elevation snow, and the rain amounts along Washington State and the Oregon coast could be significantly heavy enough to cause some flooding concerns, especially tomorrow, Saturday. Keep that in mind. Meanwhile, snow totals through Sunday morning could reach 2 feet and the highest elevations of the Washington Cascades, while areas of the northern Rockies could see around 6 to 12 inches of snow. Now we got an upper level trough. It's forecast to move fairly quickly across the Intermountain West today into the central U.S. Saturday and toward the Ohio Valley by Sunday morning. Associated with this trough, well, we're going to have some light snow possible across the central Rockies today, while light mixed precipitation could also spread across the Central Plains. Then tonight into Saturday, rain showers and thunderstorms are expected to increase across the southern portions of the plains and Mississippi Valley as the Gulf of Mexico moisture increases ahead of the frontal system. Also, farther north, a round of light snow could affect the upper Midwest today, and light snow or rain could spread into the Great Lakes regions tomorrow. Now, snow total should remain less than 2 inches around the Great Lakes. Precipitation is forecast to push eastward into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys late Saturday and toward the eastern seaboard by Sunday. In the east, the historic nor'easter has finally pulled away from the coast. Little bit of flurry here and there going on for the morning hours, but that's going to stop with no accumulation. Black ice is out there, though, folks. Please be careful. Now, with this pulling on out, this cool high is going to lead to cold, below normal temperatures for the eastern seaboard, staying below freezing in much of the northeast for today and tomorrow due to the high in the snowpack. Now, the Intermountain West, you can expect below normal highs today, while in between across the central U.S., temperatures should be 10 to 15 degrees above average for the remainder of the forecast weekend. What does Christmas Eve look like? Well, right now it's not too far away to kind of see what is kind of probably going to happen. A few things may change, but not that much, folks. This is around 10 p.m. Christmas Eve night. You see, we got some snow going on up here in western Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, western Virginia, western North Carolina, and northern, look at this, northern Georgia. Little bit of snow. Don't think it's going to be a whole lot. We'll see. No, just probably a good flurry. If you move up further in the north, though, this will be more snow. We'll check out around, let's say, Pennsylvania area here. 2.5 inches. Still not a big snowstorm, but you could have some snow. Where you see this red, and there's a little bit of brown mixed in it, this is freezing rain and ice pellets, folks. Freezing rain. Now, what's going to happen? The moisture is going to be pulled up from the Gulf of Mexico. This is that rain snow line, which affected many of you, especially in the southern parts of New Jersey, with this last storm that we just had. So as we move it up to around 8 a.m. Christmas morning, what does it look like? Snow still building. You can see the rains coming off. This green here in eastern North Carolina and also in parts of Virginia, that's wet snow. Don't worry, it's not going to do anything, folks, for us. We may see a few snowflakes, but that'll be the end of it. No big deal. Mostly rain's what we're going to have. Still, we have right up in this area freezing rain. This is a freezing rain line here. Everything else snow. By Christmas afternoon around 6 p.m., this system should start, as it moves along, to move more northward, and that's exactly what it's doing as it's moving off the coast, bringing snow to parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, also in Massachusetts. Looks like the areas of Boston, though, you guys might get a little wet snow. Could be just rain as it's happening, and it moves all the way back to Michigan. With all that said and done, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends. Keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you. We have no severe weather so far as thunderstorms today in the lower 48. Make a good day out of this for everyone. May everyone be blessed. Thanks for all the Christmas donations for everybody who sent me anything through PayPal. I appreciate it so much. These times are hard on all of us, folks. Any way you can help anybody, please do so. Maybe help the elderly and the handicapped where all this snow is. Help them shovel their snow. Get them a loaf of bread, maybe some hot cocoa. Whatever you can do to help someone, please do it. I love you all, and thanks for everything you do for me. May each and every one of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your lives today and the days ahead. Thanks for watching.